Look how full my hair is. Yay! Hey everybody, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Belle and this is Belle's Place. And before I get started, I just want to tell you guys to make sure that you hit the subscribe button. It's right below this video in the red box. It says subscribe. And once you hit subscribe, also just click the bell next to that button. It's a little tiny bell and it's so that you can turn on your post notifications for me. So whenever I upload, you don't miss any upload. So yes, I don't want anybody to miss a beat, a second, a nanosecond, nothing of the action that goes on here. So this video is about how I've been able to grow my hair back. Just like a few different things that have helped me grow my hair back. If you saw my last video, I'll insert a few clips from the last video here in a second. But if you saw that, you saw how I talked about 5 different ways that led to me ultimately gaining bald spots on my hairline, having brittle hair, weak hair, fragile hair. And I'm a type 4 hair. I'm like a 4B, 4C-ish hair. So my hair is very, very fragile naturally. So when I, talked about those different methods that caused me to lose my hair, it was just double trouble. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it so that you can watch it. But yes, in this video, we're a bit more happy, a bit more upbeat, because I'm talking about ways that I've been able to grow my hair back and keep my hairline nice and full and even, and also just really grow out those spots that were weak and gone. Like all that skin that you saw, that was real. That was what really happened to me. But now I'm able to not have that anymore. So I just want to share some of that with you. So I wanted to have my hair out in this video so you could visually see. I'm going to show you guys in a minute my hairline close up so you can see that this is no joke. But first, I want to talk about some of the products that I have used to really help me grow out my hair and detangle my hair. Just some things that I consider to be my holy grails, and each of these products are under 10 bucks. If you buy them both, then that will be less than $20, and I consider them to be rather cheap because natural hair products can be very, very pricey. I came across this. This is the Pantene Gold Series Leave-On Detangling Milk infused with argan oil. And basically what this is not so much a moisturizer, like just a leave-in conditioner, which it acts as a moisturizer and leave-in conditioner, but it's specifically designed to help you to detangle your hair. So after you take out your braids or your box braids or your sew-in and your unravel and twist or whatever the case may be, you apply this in small portions, pretty much like maybe like a dime size or so. A little goes a very, very long way. But you just take some of this and you apply it to your ends. I just took out my braids, but you apply it to your ends and your hair becomes so silky that all the kinks and knots, they just slip right out, and you don't have to worry about having little puff balls all over, because you don't want to lose hair, especially after you've had your protective styling for like 4 weeks, or I know some people may do 8 weeks. A little bit of hair is normal for some people, but you don't want to lose more than normal, right? So yes, this has been a holy grail product, and I bought it for $7.80, basically $8. So to me, that's great. This is the only one that I have bought, and I bought this back in March, and it's now August, and I still have product in here because a little goes a very long way. It smells so good, and it's dedicated to the kinkier hair. It's the Gold Series, and on the back it says "My Black is Beautiful," and that is the campaign that they're running. My Black is Beautiful. So black women, or not even just black women, if you have kinkier hair, then I think this will work really well for you. And yeah, so give it a shot. I love it, and I know you would too. The next product that I used that was probably like the biggest one for growth. So the last product was more for retention. This one is more for growth. It is the Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It's 100% natural, no salt added, and it is original authentic Jamaican black castor oil. The only Jamaican black castor oil approved for export by the Jamaican government, and it is vegan, and it comes from the castor plant. And yes, this stuff this stuff. I bought two of them. I bought this one and I bought the extra dark one. There's honestly no real difference in the description between the two. They don't describe a big difference, but I guess chemically it's just the color. I don't know, but it comes in a box like this. Sorry, I wanted to keep the box for this video, but they come in a box like that, and they both, for me, each of them cost they were both under $8 for sure. They were pretty much like $7.50, give or take, but they were definitely under $8, and that was with tax each. So I bought two of them because I wanted to see if there was a difference between the two, but I saw that there wasn't. So I just ended up mixing them and putting them in a bottle like this so that I can just go in my scalp whenever I have crochet braids or whatever. Those are pretty much all I wear, or just cornrows or whatever I may have. I would just put it on every 2 or 3 days, more so like 3 days, every 3 days, and I would just put it on my scalp and massage it in. The directions actually say massage it in, and I would massage it in and do that, and I've been doing that routinely for about maybe 3 months. I haven't been doing it so much lately, but that's because of I've been lazy. So yes, but once I started getting more growth, I was like, wow, this stuff is really working for me. And yes, this is no joke, this is no gimmick. You can look up reviews if you want, but this stuff works for real. If I had to choose one of the two products that you may need more, I would honestly say to get the Jamaican black castor oil for growth, if you're literally just trying to grow out your bald spots or your hairline. But if you're trying to retain length and stuff, and you don't really need a growth oil, you don't really think you need that, your hair grows fine, I would say to just get the Pantene Leave-On Conditioning Milk, and that'll be really, really good for you. Now I'm going to go through in parts so you guys can see up close. I just want to show you guys again. That's like the normal hairline. And then, yeah, see, like this is where the biggest portion of it was, but now I actually, have hair that's braidable and I can part it. Here's the middle. It looks really good to me. The middle's pretty much good, I'd say. Yeah, because in the video, the other picture, I just had it like this, and it was just like a little dime size ball. And if you're wondering, I do have a widow's peak slightly, so yeah. So if I had a normal hairline, it would just begin like this, and it looks good. See? Boom! And then over here, this is where the big one was. This one is just like totally, this back is great, man. Yeah. Look how full my hair is. Yay! So that's all I have for this video. Make sure you go and watch the last video about how I lost my edges and how I got bald spots. The beginning is me just being extra with the editing. I don't know, I just thought it was so funny to do that. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!